This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit. The section How Your Conditions Affect You. Part 1 Physical Functions, questions 6 and 7 only. Only answer yes to the following questions if you can do the activity safely, to an acceptable standard, as often as you need to, and in a reasonable length of time. Question 6 about how you communicate with other people. By communicating, we do not necessarily mean talking in another language. If you can communicate with other people without any difficulty, please tick the box and forward this video to question 7. Can you communicate a simple message to other people, such as the presence of something dangerous? This can be by speaking, writing, typing, or any other means, but without the help of another person. Please choose from no, yes, or it varies. If you have answered no or it varies, please use the next space to tell us how you communicate, and why might you not be able to communicate with other people. For example, because of difficulties with speech, writing, or typing. Next, question 7 asks about your ability to hear other people and read printed information. If you can understand other people without any difficulty, please tick the box and go to question 8. Can you understand simple messages from other people by hearing or lip reading without the help of another person? A simple message means things like someone telling you the location of a fire escape route. Please choose from no, yes, or it varies. Next, can you understand simple messages from other people by reading large-size print or using Braille? Please choose from no, yes, or it varies. If you have answered no or it varies, use the next space to tell us if you need to communicate in another way or use aids, such as a hearing aid. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.